Hello everyone, greetings of the day. I am Deepak Patel and I have secured All India rank of 5 in the GATE 2020 examination in the discipline of Metallurgical Engineering. So I am shooting this video for Find My Test series. So they have given me a list of few questions and that will be helpful for upcoming GATE aspirants. So the first question is, what is your name and where you have done your engineering from? So I am Deepak Patel and I am currently pursuing BTech from NIT Bhopal. I am a final year student in the discipline of material science and metallurgical engineering. So the next question is, which paper of GATE you appeared in and what was your rank, GATE score and marks in GATE 2022? So I have appeared for metallurgical engineering. The subject code was MT and I have scored up around 77.67 marks and I have a GATE score of 900 and I have a All India rank of 5. So the next question is, how many times have you attempted the GATE examination? So as you all know that we can also write the GATE examination in third year also. So I have also written this examination in third year and at that time I have secured around 40 marks and my GATE score was around 300 to 400. I'm not sure about that. And next question is, when did you decided that you want to attempt GATE exam as serious career option? When did you started preparing for GATE 2022? So actually in last year September month, I was reading a data book. When I completely read the whole book and tried to solve the past year questions of GATE mechanical metallurgy basically, and I was able to solve all the questions, so that gave me a good confidence and I was sure enough that I can crack this examination with a very good rank, and that is the time I started preparing for GATE 2022 very seriously. So next question is, how did you choose GATE over other career options such as CAT and job, etc.? So actually I want to work in a government sector only, and for me to work in the government sector like PSUs, the only option for me is to go through the GATE, because if I do CAT then I will be getting jobs in private companies, and the GATE is the only option that will provide me options like for various PSUs. So that is the reason I chose GATE over other competitive exam. So the next question is, what was the difficulty level of GATE 2022 MT paper? So I will say that GATE 2020 paper is quite a different one. It is not difficult compared to last year, but it's different in the way that it contains around 7 to 8 questions of MSQ, which is multiple select question, and this type of question has been never asked in the previous GATE MT examination. So they create a little bit trouble for me. Other than that, the paper is quite easy, and one can easily score around 70 to 80 marks with good preparation. So next question is, how Find My Test series helped you? So Find My Test series provided a very good source of like a question bank for me, and solving these questions helped me gaining enough confidence level for GATE preparation, and they have also helped me to avoid silly mistake that I usually do while solving the questions. So next question is, which book did you follow for GATE preparation? Please name some very important must read book for GATE. So I have followed only standard books. I have not deviated much from the standard books only. Like for mechanical metallurgy, I have read a data book. It is very important book not only for the GATE examination but also to crack various PSU interviews like BARC. I have also read Arvind Ghosh for thermodynamics, and for physical metallurgy I have read around 3 to 4 books like V. Raghavan, Callister and Red Hill. So these are the very standard books that I have read for the preparing my GATE examination. Next question is, what are some important topic that should be especially focused by GATE aspirant? So from my point of view, if you read the data book very carefully, which is the book for mechanical metallurgy, then definitely it can help you a lot, because the data book contains around 6 to 700 pages, and if you read all the pages very sincerely, then easily you can fetch around 25 to 30 marks from that book, because that book contain all the topics of mechanical metallurgy. Other than that, some topic of physical metallurgy and all the topics of manufacturing processes. So these all three subjects have a quite a good amount of weightage in the GATE examination. So from my point of view, if you read first JITA book and if you are able to solve the past year question, then definitely you can choose GATE as a career option. The other question is, what was your revision strategy? So when I was preparing for this GATE examination, after completion of every topic, I used to make a very short note. So these all the short note that I have made throughout my preparation was very helpful in revising at the last moment, like in the month of January. So next question is, what was your strategy for attempting question in exam? So before the final examination, I have given various test series, and what I have analyzed is that if I am attempting the core questions like 55 core question first, then I usually perform well. So that is the strategy that I have applied in the main examination. I have attempted the core question first, and after that the 10 general aptitude question. I completed the paper in around in 2 hours 10 minutes, and 40 to 50 minutes I have utilized in rechecking all the numerical problems. Next question is, what was your daily timetable? So I usually start early. I wake up at 4 a.m. and I study till around 9 a.m. and after that I continue from 1 p.m. to 7 to 8 p.m. So that's all. Another question is, any suggestion for GATE MT aspirant? So I'll say that this examination required lots of consistency because the syllabus is very huge, and for the this discipline like metallurgical engineering, you have to secure very good marks, like you have to under AIR 20 to 30 to get a good PSU call. So be patient and revise, and try to revise at frequent intervals all the concept that you have studied earlier. That's all. Thank you very much.